everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make the easiest shea butter cream ever. Okay, so we're not going to use an emulsifier. We're going to use all natural ingredients, and it's going to be non-greasy. Okay, so this is a bit different from traditional whipped shea butter because we're going to add a lot of ingredients to make it great and make it very unique. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 180 gram of shea butter. Make sure you go for crude, crude shea butter. Look in the link below for where to get your own. So we need the shea butter. We're going to use 45 gram. So 180 gram of shea butter, 45 gram of sunflower oil, then 45 gram of sweet almond oil. Okay, then we're going to use 30 gram of cornstarch. Cornstarch here is going to be our thickener, and this is what's going to make it less greasy on the skin. So the first thing we're going to do is to whisk. You're going to need a whisk, so you want to first whisk the shea butter. So that's the first thing you want to do. So whisk the shea butter. You want to do this until you get a very creamy consistency. Okay, the texture must be creamy and be softer before you start adding the other ingredients. So if you look at it now, the color is changing, right? So this is what you want. So bear with me, I'm still getting my screen all together. If you look at me, I'm on a different desk from my previous videos. I'm just trying to change things around here to see how to improve the video. So we're going to whisk it more. Once you have this cream-like consistency, you are good to go. Okay, so the next we're going to do now is to add the other ingredient one at a time. So we are going to add our sunflower oil, and I have sweet almond oil. So I'm going to add the two. Then I'm going to continue whisking. Okay, this is I'm going to start low. Okay. Once you have this consistency, it's time to add our thickener and the final ingredients. Okay, so our final ingredient is cornstarch. Okay, so we're going to add this to it and mix it well. Blend. Make sure you blend on low settings. We are done, and the next thing is to pack this amazing put some in close it up. Move it to a side. And use your scissors to cut here. Okay. Bear with me, I'm still trying to get myself together on this new desk. So just cut it here and pour into a clean container. This is going to do a cleaner job of packing your cream, as you can see. Or this is something you can do, or you can just pack it in right away. Like, if that is too cumbersome for you, just pack it in right away. Make sure the container you use is a clean container. And this is our project for today. If you have any question about this project, feel free to drop the question in the comment box below. This is good for the whole body, okay? Highly effective for the whole body, not too creamy, okay? It goes on right away, and it's good for kids, for the whole family. And I hope you enjoy this. If you have any question, don't forget to drop that question in the comment box below. And thanks for watching.